Welcome to our exploration of Rembrandt van Rijn's Self-Portrait with Dishevelled Hair, painted around 1628. This early work of Rembrandt, created when he was approximately 22 years old, showcases his burgeoning talent and bold experimentation with light and shadow. The portrait, an oil-on-panel piece measuring 22.6 by 18.7 cm, features Rembrandt's face partially illuminated, with light grazing his right cheek while the rest of his face is veiled in darkness. This dramatic use of chiaroscuro, a technique emphasizing the contrast between light and dark, highlights his facial features and creates an intense focus on his expression. Remarkably, Rembrandt used the end of his brush to scratch into the wet paint, detailing the curls of his tousled hair. This adds texture and depth, giving the painting a lifelike quality. The portrait captures a moment of introspection and the restless energy of youth, reflected in his intense gaze and unruly hair. It also marks the beginning of his lifelong exploration of self-representation and the human condition. Through this early work, we glimpse the innovative spirit and technical skill that would come to define Rembrandt as one of history's greatest artists. Thank you for joining us in this brief journey into the world of young Rembrandt and his self-portraiture.